Did you know some animals hibernate to survive harsh winters, and this natural process holds a secret to human health? Hibernation involves a dramatic slowdown in metabolism, allowing animals to conserve energy. Scientists have discovered that mimicking this metabolic state could protect human organs during surgeries. By inducing a hibernation like state, doctors can reduce the risk of tissue damage and improve recovery outcomes. This breakthrough offers a glimpse into how understanding animal survival strategies can revolutionize medical procedures. Imagine a future where surgeries are safer, all thanks to the wisdom of hibernating creatures.